As men age, our testosterone production naturally declines. But due to things like food quality and the stress our busy lives create, this is happening earlier and faster than ever before, often leaving us with less energy and motivation, decreasing sexual desire, less muscle and more fat around our midsection. When it comes to testosterone, everyone's needs are different. That's why our program is overseen by a real doctor, and your prescriptions are based on your comprehensive blood work results and adjusted with consistent follow-up testing. Don't settle for any less than an amazing life full of vitality. If you're experiencing any problems at all, we'll help you uncover the actual origin of the problem. Take the first step by booking your in-home exam and blood work today.